So there's a lot of different ways that you can start your floss when you're just learning hand embroidery. But for a lot of people, I've noticed that starting with anything other than a knot can be a little intimidating when you're just getting started. So when I started teaching embroidery classes, I noticed that a lot of people were having a lot of difficulty tying a double knot. That is tying like one knot over an existing knot. So I decided that at the beginning of my classes, I was always going to start teaching a quilter's knot, and it has been a great choice. Everybody really loves it. It's fun, it's pretty easy, and it really feels like magic. So we have a length of thread, and I'm going to bring the end of that thread over to my needle. We're going to create like a circle with the thread going to the needle. Then I'm going to pinch the end of that, and I'm going to wrap some coils around the needle. You can do like 3 to 4. Then I'm going to take my thumb and pointer finger. You're going to pinch around those coils to hold them in place and use your thumb to push the needle up and through those coils. And we're going to keep pinching and pull those coils down the length of thread. This is going to cause them to bunch up on top of each other and create a quilter's knot. So yeah, definitely a quick and easy way to get your floss started, especially like I said, if you're having difficulty with those double knots, because single knot can really just like pull through your fabric. This is always a hit, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's helpful. Bye.